Hey guys, happy Monday. Today is Halloween, October 31st, 2022. I want to give you a quick recap from last week. We had a lot of stuff come out last week and actually a lot of positive news. So that was a pretty good week. A lot of inflation data came out last week, some flash services, PMI, we had some GDP numbers come out, which actually came out pretty strong. We saw a 2.6% increase quarter over quarter, which was better than expected. We were expecting a 2.3%. We saw 2.6, so that was good. And honestly, most of the price indexes that came out, that data that really is a good indicator of what inflation is doing, all those came in weaker than expected. So there's a good possibility we do see a slowdown in inflation if this continues to trend as it did last week. So that was some positive news. We did see some positive movement in mortgage rates. The 30-year came down from 7.29 to 7.08, and the average 15-year came down from 6.63 to 6.5. We are starting the week off on a little rough note. Mortgage rates are about 24 basis points worse than Friday, and the stock markets and everything, they're all down, about half a point today. So not the best start, but that's fine. I imagine everyone is positioning themselves for a pretty data-heavy week again. We do have, what I want to highlight especially, we have some more inflation data. ISM manufacturing PMI comes out tomorrow with the JOLTS job openings as well. But the big news will be on Wednesday. We do have the Fed meeting on Wednesday where they will release their new Fed fund rate. Everyone's expecting a 75 basis point hike. I wouldn't imagine that would change. I don't think the data that came out last week justifies that, but it is a positive note that we are starting to see lessening on the inflation data. So maybe the next Fed fund meeting, we don't see a 75 bip hike, but we'll see. They'll also be issuing a statement on Wednesday as well, which will give everyone a good idea of what to expect moving forward. More big news on Friday. It's non-farm day, so expect the non-farm payroll data to come out. So that's always a pretty big indicator of the health of the economy, and it can add some volatility in the markets as well. So keep an eye on that. We'll keep you updated as we move along, but I hope you all have a great week, and we'll talk soon.